Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a move called the Salesman. Salesman's a little more complicated than the previous moves I taught you, but it's still a pretty basic beginner dip. Always try to use the spotter when you're first learning the move or still uncomfortable with it. So I'll show it to you fast first, and then we'll break it down. Alright, so for this one, you fish your partner, and you take your hands, and you're going to go stick your arms behind your neck. So they're behind his neck, pull across, grab the forearm, and you're going to spin the girl once, and it's going to chicken wing her as well, so she's facing you still. We'll do it again. Two times, so you start the forearm, and you're going to spin her once, and then you're going to chicken wing her. She's facing you with her hand behind her back, her right hand grabbing your right hand, and then her other arm is going to grab your shoulder as a brace of support, and she's going to go. And as you can see, her left leg is bent and her right leg is straight.